Warning, Steve is a trained professional. Do not attempt anything you see on this page.
This thing is as big as the back of this truck.
These are the bullets.
It doesn't have that much of a kick?
It doesn't have much of a kick at all. Actually. No. Surprisingly.
She thinks my tractor's sexy. Okay, maybe not.
Let the darkness take control.
Lambros, what is up? It's me and Bill.
Hey.
We're in the Urus and we're about to go off-roading in the Urus as requested.
Now, we also have a bunch of guns back there, and that's a 50 cal that you see poking out there.
We're about to go shoot off on this here property. But I thought it would be cool to set up the 360 camera. So that's what the Urus is going to look like driving down. And we got to put it in, call it Terra, which is off-road mode. We're going to have some really cool video for you. And then in a minute, we're going to go shoot some weapons. So stick around. Look at this. Cal, there's one with a big round clip. Hide that in there. Got the 360 camera up there. And then you see it. And then we're gonna go drive this thing, one of these things. So we got a Komatsu. I don't know, like we'll put it in a video. We drove around the excavator that burned to the ground. So it was fire department out here and everything. So out here, shoot some guns, drive this big old bad boy, one of them. Okay, go back to that. So that's the fire right before
here's the fire. And that log rolled
down and hit the inside of the hydraulic because the cover wasn't on it.
Right. So that's the main pump that runs everything, and that made the tracks not work, the arm not work. So he was dead in the water basically.
And then it caught fire. Look at it, guys.
So there's where you see it coming there.
Oh, jeez.
So that's that machine engulfed in flames.
That's that thing. So we can't drive it.
Yeah, not that one.
Can't drive this one, people. Oh my God, smells burnt. I'm in my Yeezys. At least Bill brought boots. Look at this thing. Pretty sure that's just scrap metal now. Wow. There's even like a, let me get up here. There's even like a log right here done burnt up. And oh my God, what is this? This is like mercury that melted down. I mean to tell you, this thing burned up. Was there a guy in it? Did he get out? He lived. Okay. All right, now we're scoping out our spot because the big excavator that's across, or excavator, or whatever, however you want to call it, is over on the other side. And we got 65 acres. Yeah, this one's
about a 50,000 pound machine. The other one is about 85,000 pound machine.
We're gonna hit the 85, but the guys gotta put the batteries back in it, waiting on that. And then we got 65 acres back here. So we're just gonna bust out that 50 cal and get busy. Stick around, more action. All right, boys and girls, we're doing some off-roading over here. We's on a crazy trail. I got Bill at the driver's seat. Bill, you reckon we could
go a little faster? You want to go get beat up? We can.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh yeah, baby! Oh yeah! Woohoo! Jump it! Oh my God! Oh God! Go! Go! God! Oh!
That was fake. Gotcha. Okay, guys, we got a little bit of a controversy going on over here. Somebody was supposed to weld something up on something over there, so you can put that there something on top of it. They didn't do it right. Now, we's trying to get in this here big truck. Well, I guess you call it excavator. Put the batteries in there. He's gonna put the batteries in there. I can get him. Look at this sucker. I can crawl inside here. Hey, Bill, pick me up in this thing. Look at this. Now that's a big scoop right there. I think I'm gonna go for a ride. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh, he's gonna close the cage on me. Oh God, I better get out of here. We are gonna get in this thing and run it over there, and then we're gonna fire some guns. All right, well, featuring these bullets and this massive, I don't even know what that is. It's like a Gatling gun. Let's get a sponsorship from Sour Patch and Gatorade. So we have the Uzi right here. It's ridiculously loud, so we gotta put these ear things on. And I'm gonna try to set the camera up. Woo! Yeah. Woo! That's one down. We gotta get the 50 cal out. 50 caliber Smith & Wesson handgun. You wanna shoot it?
No, you're gonna shoot it.
Okay.
That's the whole point.
Lock your hands, boys.
All right, look. When you do this, you're not gonna try to just pull from here. It'll take too much force. All right. You're gonna pull this back. Then you're gonna pull the trigger, all right? Not until you're ready. Don't pull that hammer back until you're ready. Hang on with both hands. Yeah. So light. Easy, easy, boy, easy.
It's a firing one. Okay, okay.
Got two more. Shoot the barrel. No, the barrel down there. There's only 5 in that.
Click, doing click. Look at that.
Easy, easy, easy.
Want to play a little Russian roulette?
So this is the 50 caliber pistol that you just shot, and this is a 50 caliber rifle, the Ferret 50 that we're gonna shoot here in just a little bit.
We're saving that one for second. I mean third.
It's gonna be another couple. We're gonna the Smith & Wesson 50. His little brother is the 460.
The 460 with the.
And this one might shoot some fire. I'm just saying. This one might shoot a little fire out of it.
Here we go. Okay, Bill's doing his here a demonstration.
The 460 will rip your hand off, so you just got to be really.
Hey, you just
really
shoot it.
careful
I'll
with
watch.
that.
I won't shoot
You
this.
come back to the side over here so you can see what might happen out the end of it. Because you might have to slow it down frame by frame to see it.
Jesus freaking Christ!
Now rewind that and watch it. Hey, Ben.
All right, here we go.
Hang on. Okay.
Here it is, boys and girls. Son, I can feel it.
Did you see it?
Yes.
Round the pull. Stiff arm.
All right, here we go, boys and girls. This one has a silencer.
So, the misconception about silencers is it's like movie quiet. Not movie quiet. All it does is it takes the brake off of
So
it.
here we go. Is this a semi-auto?
It's a semi. Automatics are illegal unless you got a special permit for it. The shells are coming out this way.
Oh, I'll catch one in the camera. Hey, guys, try to catch one.
I can't remember which one. I've got to shoot it.
Wow. Okay, that right there is a doe. I don't know what it is. It's some kind of something, but we're about to drive it. All right. We just set up the 360 camera. It's to the right of that white canister that we have over there. Bill's got the, look at this thing. It weighs like 50 pounds, bro. Think it's gonna kick?
Nah.
No, not at all.
It doesn't have much of a kick at all. Actually.
Oh, does it?
No. Surprisingly, there's no bullet, there's no nothing in it. The chamber is open. Okay. We're just taking a peek at it right now. You wanna take a look? So this thing is as big as the back of this truck.
Okay, cool. All right, load it up. These are the bullets. Holy crap, holy. God dang. Oh, come on, Sonny.
Take it for a ride.
All right, you gotta film it.
I want you to hold on. That's what I want you to do. You're fine. That's fine.
It doesn't have that much of a kick?
It doesn't have much of a kick at all, actually.
Oh, does it?
No. Surprisingly. It's more scary than anything else.
Holy crap. And I missed. Did I hit it?
I don't think so. The bucket's still standing.
It looks like that tree over there. Oh, they're hitting high. Okay, now I know where to look.
I wasn't watching. We got to load it. They're one at a time, and I only brought 4, so.
I gotta admit, I didn't know I fired when I fired. Okay, it's dead on it now, but I don't know if this is sighted in.
I don't know either because it's not been shot in several years. We'll have to watch on the next one.
Okay.
Don't touch the trigger until you're ready. Wait, hold on. You need to clean your pants.
No, I'm good.
I have no idea where you hit. I was even back here trying to watch.
That thing is crazy. I don't think that I would have hit it because I'm a marksman, but I don't think it's sighted in. You want to try it now? All right. Bill's gonna do it now. Jeez, that is crazy loud. And that was with my headphone, my ear things in. I'm gonna take them off this time so I can see what it's really like. There's probably fire coming out of the end.
Stay way back then. It's loud.
Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm too scared.
All right, so I'm gonna aim below the bucket. If y'all keep an eye out and watch, see where. I only brought 4 bullets because these are about $15 a piece to shoot this thing. Yeah.
When
I've
he
got
says
plenty
15,
more. We
he
can come
means,
back another time. I'll
he
bring
means
more.
50. It costs $50 a piece now because the ammo's gone up by 4.
It's gone up considerably.
All right, here we go.
All right, so I'm dead directly below it right now. Again, I don't know. This scope hadn't been sighted in for a while, so I have no idea where this is actually going to go.
Oh my God, the percussion of that.
Did y'all see anything?
I didn't see anything. Let's go down here and look. Let's go down here and look. Because I got the 360 camera. I got the 360 camera going the whole time. Oh yeah, dropped my phone. This deal. But it doesn't look like it. It looks like that tree over there. Oh, they're hitting high. Okay, now I'm in the thing and Bill's giving me an up close and
the thing is called an excavator.
Okay, but Bill's giving me an up close and personal like demonstration. Reach across here again.
There ain't a whole lot of room in here, so.
Reach across here again, bro.
Reach over there and grab that stick.
Grab a hold of it. Grab a hold of it, bro.
With this up, nothing works. All right, so we're good right there from a safe standpoint. Once we put this down, we're fully engaged.
What are the pedals in here?
Okay, the pedals on the bottom make you go forward and backwards.
Okay.
All right, so whatever direction your track's
okay.
going now, and you turn the other one backwards, then that makes you turn sideways with your right arm. Okay. Then once we've got a firm hold on it, and you hear a crunch like that, then reach back, pull up. We missed that one, so we're just gonna go a little bit higher so it falls back and gets out of the way. Now, other way, there you go. Out the way. Now go away from it and drop all of it. Most of the dirt will fall to the bottom.
Okay. Okay, I was trying to film it, but it wasn't working because you can't. This thing is complicated. It's like flying an airplane. It's like forwards, back, ups, down, downs, up. But I figured it out. I did pretty good. I carried them there logs over there, right over here. And I stacked them up real nice and neat too, boss. Now someone's gonna have to come clean this crap up. I have destroyed this area. Oh my God. Look at that, I left the arm way up.
Let go. You always let go low. Otherwise, that bounces. When that thing bounces, it could come back up and hit you.
I know, I dumped it from the real high on purpose.
Yeah, so you don't do that.
No,
The second thing
that's
is,
why I did it.
you don't leave the arm up like that when you're leaving.
I did that for the action.
So anyway, we got to put that arm down where it's sitting on the ground.
Why? So someone can steal it?
So that the hydraulic lines don't have pressure on them all night and end up busting, and then it come in the next day and it falls on somebody. Oh, we forgot about that
This is
part.
why
We forgot about the safety part of it. We're just having fun.
This is why I can't own a John Deere tractor. She thinks my tractor's sexy. Okay, maybe not. All right, we just recruited Lambro John because we're doing the finale. We already shot guns. We already drove the excavator, however you call it. We actually got the bulldozer running. We ran that. I piled up a few of those things over there. I shot a 50 cal, a few of them. Off-roaded in the Urus, which was the big request. Now the other one, because we wanted to do everything on the list, is a bonfire. That's what Travis called it on Instagram, a bonfire.
Bonfire.
But it's actually a bonfire. So look, we piled all this crap up and we's about to light it on fire. Yeah. Yeah. I guess I'm gonna light it. John, you wanna hold the camera? Will you light it? Okay, John.
Let me find this spot right over here.
Bird! Boys, that's how you light a fire! I got this here hammer and I whacked that stick off and it got on fire. Good Lord. Lord, that's a big fire now. It's making its way around town. What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com, and I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.